Samsung UN50NU6900. It's the TV there. So let's plug it to the power and show you what the TV is doing. So we have the standby light. So it did flash again. And it's stuck at the standby light, flashing like that. Like the TV is trying to turn on, but doesn't get it to turn on. So let's check some voltages. Usually this coil here in the corner, this one here, is a 5 volt. So it's there. This coil and this coil here for the RAM and the processor, they have 1 point something, 1.5, 1 volt. That's good. So that's the voltages for the processor, RAM. Okay. So here it's at 3.3 volt. We have 3.3 volt is good. Here it's at 5 volt. It's over there. I can feel the processor getting hot, but it's still in the standby mode. No backlight on. So you can see the voltages here. If you don't know them, you can see it is marked here. 1 V5 is mean 1.5 volt. Somewhere here is a 0.97 volt. You can see it over there. 0V97. So we got 3.3 volt here. It's good. So yeah, we have all the voltage for the TV to turn on, but we are not getting it to turn on. So there is another 3.3 volt here in this point. So it's over there. So there is a 5 volt in this point, I think. Yep, it's good. So that's the main board section, the processor, RAM, the EEPROM, and the flash memory. Yeah, that section, all the voltage are good. This is the T-cone voltages here. Of course, the TV in the standby mode, we are not going to have no T-cone voltages. But we can check, take that here 3.3 volt. Oh, this is, no, the 3.3 here. 3.3, so this is 13 volt. At this point here, we have 12 volt is good. And this point, 13 volt, we have 12.5. That's good enough. So the AVDD is a 17 volt. We are not going to find it. The VGG, the VGH. Okay, I'm looking for where I can find the VGH and VGL. Of course, it's going to be no voltage in VGH and VGL. The panel 3.3 volt is there. Yeah, it's hard for me to see them. VGH is here, 0 volt. Supposed to this VGH is a 24 volt, but we have the screen is off, no backlight. So of course we're gonna have no voltage. Here I did have like 13 volt up and down. Yeah, this 13 voltage was going up and down. Depend if the TV is on or off. Yeah, these voltages here, we need the TV to be on before these voltages can be present and stable. Have some voltage here, 3.3 panel. So we have 1.8 here, VDD 1.8. Yeah. So it's flashing, let's see that. Yeah, I did see this voltage, it was a minute ago, they were present here, like the 1.8, panel 3.3, this one the VCC 1.9 volt, the AVDD I didn't got it. So yeah, but you can't blame these voltages as the TV is not completely turns on and stay on. I did check the surge here. There is no surge in all capacitors, coils. There is no surge to the ground. So basically the problem is between the eMMC and the processor. These two chips, I can do nothing. You're gonna need the programmer and the software. So if you have the programmer, good luck to find the software that work for this TV. And the processor, to change the processor, you're gonna need another one. I don't have it. When I reach to this point, we go to the replacement board. So we can go to the next TV. So I'm gonna install this board and we test the TV together. So I plug the TV. We have the backlight is on over there. Let's see if we have any picture. Yes, we do. So the picture is over there. Yeah, this board is all in one. The main board, check-on section, and the power board section is all in one board. That's why this board is about like almost $100. But the customer want to fix the TV, so when I got the TV is stuck at Dutch mode, just flashing red light. The customer did show me a picture that the TV on and there is just a pixels on the screen. So I mean, yeah, likely is the processor. And told me that sometimes the TV turns on, works fine for a couple of hours, then it start the pixels before it completely goes off. Oh yeah, by replacing the board, the TV should be good to go. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Just want to show you where the voltages need to be checked. And the same thing, when you have no voltage, just check that point to the ground, the resistance, to see if you have a low ohm or short over there. And that's how you can fix the main board. So we'll see you again.